Normally I would love to start doing a vlog like in the morning, but I didn't today. We didn't today. So we're gonna start a vlog of a day in a life in the middle of the day at 1:45. So let me give you a rundown of what Blaine and I have done so far. So I woke up at 8 o'clock with Scarlett, our little puppy. Woke Blaine up at 9, and then we got to the gym, we worked out, we both did upper body. We got home, we showered, I didn't cook. I got the blender out and made us a healthy protein chocolate milkshake, which is actually really good. If you want to know what it is, or the recipe, it's actually on my Instagram, my fitness Instagram, so you guys can always check that out. For our family night tonight, we're gonna go grocery shopping, but earlier, this kitchen was a disaster. Like, it was so messy this morning. Like, those are all the dishes that I did. I'm cooking some soup over there. Those are some actually green onions that we're growing, and they're doing so good. But this is like my grocery list, my keys, and my medicine. And then I had so much laundry to do today. Like, holy cow, I've had a ton of laundry. And then our bedroom is a complete disaster. Let me take you there. Let's just show you how unorganized my life is right now. So our rule is the last one out of bed makes the bed. Blaine didn't make the bed. And then I was reorganizing our closet, cleaning it up, so there's a bunch of stuff on the ground. Those are some cards that I have, some pillows and a blanket, and our life is a little crazy right now. That's laundry that I need to put into the hamper, but the hamper's in the laundry room because I haven't picked it up and brought it back. I would show you the office, but it's not that bad. And Scarlett's in her crate sleeping, and I don't want to entertain a puppy right now, so. I've had like 3 big loads of laundry. I didn't use my planner last week. I feel behind on laundry, I felt very unmotivated, so the goal this week is to utilize my planner. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Did you have a good nap? Will you sit? Sit. Take your paw off. Stay. No, stay. No. Stay. Okay, come here. Oh. Wanna go outside? Yeah, go for a little walk. How's that sound? You can go for a little walk. Look at this cute little girl. We're learning. What's your issue? Oh, sorry. Go get it. Oh, good job. Go get it. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good job. outside for like 25 minutes and she was running the whole time. And she's still going. I'm finally having a chance to work on my vlog for my birthday so we can post it today because she's finally sleeping. Yay! Okay, please tell me if this is weird, but like, it's Monday night, we're going grocery shopping tonight when Blake gets home from work, and I had a bunch of like leftover food or like potatoes that I need to get used up before they go bad. Some broccoli that I need to get finished up in the freezer, some red bell peppers that I had in the fridge, and some onions I had pre-cut up, and I added some garlic in there. And I'm literally throwing it all in a pan, put some coconut oil on it, seasoning, and then I'm gonna make some salmon, and I'll just put the salmon on top of that. So like, it's really simple, really easy. Yes? Sorry, was I in your spot? Hello?
Make the zoodles?
No, the thing that I used to peel cucumbers.
Oh.
Fell in the garbage disposal, and I didn't know it, and I turned it on, and it went.
Well, that's not good.
And there's still a little piece in there because I'm too afraid to put my hand in there. This is what our dinner looks like. Blaine's first time on the vlog today. I got a haircut yesterday.
No, I was looking at how big my forehead is.
No. I literally just chucked everything in a pan and called it good.
Yeah, it tastes fine.
Yum! Run away! Where'd you park?
Do we really eat that much zucchini?
Yeah, I normally buy 5 of these every week. Normally I get 93%, but they never are in stock. They're cheaper.
I think 738 is going to be your cheapest.
No, mine was 722. Whoa, slow down there, Turbo.
What is that?
Stop. Blaine. Give me the camera. You're not allowed to have it anymore. You're the worst cameraman.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm the best cameraman. Where's the actor?
Are you doing it in my butt still?
Ooh. Iced tea with peach.
No!
Yes, it's peach.
So those are all the groceries we got. Stocked up on a lot of meat. Like the chicken was on sale, and we're totally out of chicken and totally out of ground beef. So
Protein!
but now we're gonna go home. But before we go home, what are we gonna do?
Get soda wine.
Get soda wine.
Every weekend, my shorty coming over.
I joined.
She say what you know about love. Watch the mountains over Tennessee. So blue. Hello, sir.
What can I get for you guys?
Can I get a nailed it?
Can I get a diet 24-ounce shaboom?
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Okay,
All right,
perfect.
awesome. Thank you.
Thank
Take care.
you. Where are we going?
To the sand dunes
To what?
to go tobogganing.
To Bum.
Because I heard here in Idaho that snowmobiling is called sledding.
What?
So sledding is called tobogganing.
If you're
That's Canadian. But apparently sledding here means something
you spray some WD-40
with an engine.
on it.
Yeah. So sledding here is when you get a snowmobile and you just go snowmobiling.
Why don't they
But-
just call it snowmobiling?
Because it's called sledding. Why do some people call soda pop, but some people call it Coke, even though it's not Coke?
Because they're idiots. I'm so excited to go sledding! Onward. Woo. I feel everything under my butt.
Watch as we find Katie and
Patrick.
Jake! Whoa!
It was Jessica. No, get Get on his path.
Help, Bunker dude!
Okay, I'll push you. Ready? Or not? Here I go. Let's see. Ooh, that's cold! No, don't, no.
I might have trucked my water bottle up this really steep hill, and this ledge of snow right here is like a cliff kind of thing, and there's no like sand under it, so if you go on it, you just fall. And now I'm trying to
Find a water bottle that is basically buried in an avalanche.
That's white.
Do you see it? Oh yeah. It's somewhere right here.
I wanted to push you down that so bad. Alright, throw it up here. I need to bring your brother up.
Brother! Help me! No! I'm like knee deep in!
That was funny.
Go for it. It's windy up here. Make sure to bring your feet in. Oh my goodness. This is a good spot.